So that's it. We're just going to wait until it's cooked. Now, how are you? How is your Saturday? How is everyone? Still, I have colds in the, cough. Usong-uso ang usong-uso guys ang we're going to cook it slowly. So, slow lang yung fire natin. Just to make sure that it's good. It's cooked. What time is it there? It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Hello guys. Yes. Still in the process of cooking. Tayo natin siyang mag-kulo. Let's wait. Saglit na, sige lang ako. Means for watching means 3 because the fourth one is me. Yeah, I guess. There. So we're going to cook it slowly. Yeah. So still, hello everyone. Saturday. How is everybody? No, it's that Sunday. Today is... yeah, it's Sunday. So today is Sunday, yes. No work today. That's why we have this cooking serie. We're just going to cook it slowly. Too much water, I guess. Happy Sunday, everyone. I hope everybody's good. Because, flu is everywhere. I have this cold since last week. Everyone. Kamusta? Today, what is your school time?